Students, welcome to Show Sir classes. So today we are going to solve the question from quantitative aptitude, and for that we have a problem here that we need to find out the cube of 10.998, and for that we can easily see that it will be very difficult find the cube root of 10.998 without the calculator. So what we are going to do, we can do it in another way, relatively easier way. We can write 10.998, and as we can see the digit after point that is greater than 5. So what we are going to do is we can add plus 1 with the digit that those are in the left side of point. So we can write 11 instead of 10.998, and we can do the cube of 11. For that we will be getting the answer, that is 1331. And as we can see the 5 option which are one, that is 1440, and the second option that is 1730, and the third option that is 1330, and the fourth option that is 1640, the fifth option that is 1000, but none of them is matching to this number which we have got by cubing 11. So what we are going to do is we can take the third option as the best answer out of these 5 options. So we can write 1330 as the answer, and as it will be the right option here. So this is the thing. So bye for now and hope to see you soon.